I can't believe this 3-ingredient dark chocolate mousse made of leftover rice actually works. Sobrang skeptical ako to try nung una kasi feeling ko talaga ang weird niya. Pero shocked ako that it turned out so creamy and smooth and masarap talaga. Tara gawin natin yan in a blender.
Combine rice and your melted chocolate. Kaya pala walang nangyayari. Don't forget to add hot water.
And optionally all-purpose cream para lang mas creamy siya. Tapos blend lang until smooth.
Transfer. So smooth. What? Refrigerate for about 2 hours.
Then dust with tablea or cocoa powder upon serving. Grabe na amazed talaga ako kasi sobrang rich, decadent, and ang perfect ng texture nito. Plus the fact rin na I was able to make something na medyo bougie out of leftover rice.